believed that lucky are those whose dreams turn into a reality. And my dream turned into reality 24 years ago with someone whose zeal, enthusiasm, passion, and at times stubbornness inspires me to be a better person. Today, I feel lucky once again to be a part of a dream that Jankna had dreamt, to be a part of the Dream Rotary Year. I introduce you to the president of our club, Rotarian Jankna Mehta.
Hello everyone. I think I have to wait a little longer to get undivided attention of Smita. As the president of the year of the club last year, she's looking forward to give her support to the Dream Year. As Director Vocational Services, she's looking at doing projects to provide career guidance to the youths and help them get jobs which would benefit them and their families. I wish Smita, Director Vocational Services, the best of luck for the year ahead.
I'm pinning Amrita Vakil, my sister-in-law and RCDB's president-elect for the year 21-22. Amrita has been on the board of RCDB for the past 3 years, and now as a new position as president-elect, she plans to learn as well as collaborate with everybody from the club as well as the district to help take the club to new heights. So wishing Amrita all the best for her new role.
Thank you.
Meet my wife Pooja Sharma and club secretary of RCBB for the year 2021. Friends, I'm going through a very mixed feeling for last few weeks. She so I'm feeling like somebody has snatched her from me, and sometimes I feel I have a lot of freedom. But jokes apart, she's a very hardworking and sincere person, and I wish her and the entire team for a fabulous year coming ahead.
Hello friends, today I've been given the task to introduce someone who needs no introduction as the treasurer to Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview. Ironically, me, his wife, no one knows, Bonal. He says it's a thankless job, but he's always arising to all the challenges coming from it and does it efficiently and effortlessly. He manages the accounts, the household accounts too, and he's always joking that the balance sheet at Rotary tallies, but at home never does. Any guesses why? Presenting Nimish Shroff, Club Treasurer 21-22.
Harsh can be as strict as hot jalapenos or as chilled out as cucumbers. He will ensure that President Jankna's meetings go as smooth as chocolate mousse, as perfect as his cow swing, and as elegant as his asparagus party. So be good to him and he will ensure you get yummy food at all meetings. Introducing Rotarian Chef Harshodhan as the Dream Sergeant at Arms.
Hi friends, my name is Danesh. I'm Ruchita's husband. For me, Ruchita spells excellence as a mother, as a caretaker, and a passionate duty worker towards the Rotary Club. She's one woman who gets so engrossed in her work, she forgets about everything around her. So this passionate drive is so advantageous to our Rotary Club, which is going to bring out the best in her and the work towards whatever she does. So it's an honor pinning Ruchita Cheddar as the club admin 2021.
Looks like Apurva's really going to have a busy year ahead, knowing all his members and knowing them well. I am expecting a lot of masala from him as a membership director. Wishing him all the best. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm Poonam Mashru. I'm here to introduce Dipen Mashru as a public image and an e-admin director for the year 2021. A digital marketer by profession and passion, I'm sure he's tried his level best to improve the visibility of the club nationally and internationally via the internet medium. I hereby wish him the very best.
Thank you.
Samina is there to take part of poor health, so the members should be generous with their wealth. So they should loosen their wallet and tighten their belt, and their heart should be soft and it should melt.
The first word which comes to my mind when I speak about Vimal is his passion. He has been in the field of finance all his life, but his true passion lies in Gujarati drama, music and literature. He feels deeply for others and it gives him immense joy to help and share what he has with the less fortunate. I would like to wish him all the very best for his role as a community director.
I'm proud to pin Pradeep as Director of Global Grant. And of course, this post suits him fantastically because he also has a global heart, very giving and very loving husband and father. Congratulations, Pradeep.
I always knew Sharad is a globetrotter, but I'm glad his fondness of international travel is going to reap huge funds for RCBP. It's a proud moment for me as I pin my better half as Director International TRF.
At his age, they say, we've done it all, we've seen it all, we've heard it all. But this man wants to live it all. And what better way than to experience it all? Here's introducing Rotarian Ankur Shah as Director, Next Generation 21-22.
Preetham does not look very sporty, but hey, let's not judge a book by its cover. Preetham is a group person, he's loved by his friends, and he has the 5 S's: strength, stamina, skill, speed, and most importantly, high spirits. So here's wishing you the very best, Preetham, for Director of Sports, Rotary 2021-22. Thank you.
Hello friends. When Samir Shah is Director Fundraiser, Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview, expect a lot of phone calls from him requesting you for funds for community service. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
You have known him to be loyalist, Mr. Dependable, a Rotarian who is always there. This year, be ready to be trained and be ready to be for every event under the training of past President Rotarian Darshan Mehta. My privilege to introduce to you our club trainer, Dream Team 21-22.